You're an artist or a maker and you need video to reach your audience, whether it's through online courses, tutorials, or advertisements for your design. You're working on something and you think, this would make a fantastic video. And you have the perfect camera, which is the one you have with you all the time when the idea strikes, but you don't have something to hold it because you're a maker. You need your hands free. I might have the perfect solution for you. Stick around to the end of this video. I have a resource I think you'll really like. Let's look at this Telesin magnetic neck holder. Does it hold your neck? It holds your phone around your neck. This is something that doesn't need to be mounted or attached to a table. If you do handwork, you can be in your comfy seat as long as you have good lighting. It gives your viewer a maker's eye view. They're basically sitting in your lap, watching what you're creating. It does come with a safety strap if your phone or your case have somewhere to attach it. Just in case you knock it off the holder, you won't drop your phone on the floor. If you are worried about your video being shaky while you breathe, I wouldn't worry too much about it. There are so many fantastic options in editing that will stabilize your video now. I believe the iPhone 12 and up are magnetic. My case is not, so it's not quite strong enough to hold through the case. So I'll take the case off and let's see how that works. Without the case, it looks like it's plenty strong. Now I'm going to try using the magnetic ring it came with. I had another one of these and put it on the outside of my case under a sticker and it peeled up. So this time I'm going to try out how it works on the inside of the case. Now, these are probably for cleaning the surface before attaching the magnet. The instructions don't really say. The insides of my case are spotless, so I'm not going to bother with it. I am a disaster for dropping things, so my phone always has the strongest case and screen protector I can find. It looks like it will hold fairly well. Let's put it to the test. It folds up really small, so I can see it being really easy to carry along with you if you are working on the go. Say you're painting plein air or you're stitching while you're on a road trip. The magnetic ring that you attach your phone to is very stiff to move, but that's a good thing. It's not going to flop around while you're recording. So you'll just have to play with it and figure out what is the right position for you to use. This could be a really good way to record what you're already doing. It's also very comfortable, easy to bend and fold out and get around your neck. It molds right where you want it to go and it stays there. The only tricky parts about learning to use it, I think, are positioning it so it's not cutting off your line of sight, but your work is still in frame. It takes a little practice. I suggest holding your elbows against your side and just moving your hands if you're doing handwork. And that will help you learn to keep your work within the frame, even when you're not looking right at the camera. This phone holder is a fantastic option as an alternative to phone holders that need to be attached to something else. You can take it right with you. I can see this being a really useful device for people who want to work on the go. So what do you think? Think this will work for the things that you make when you want to make a video tutorial? Let me know. Ask me questions. Tell me what you make. Let's converse in the comments. Like and subscribe, all of those things. Now, I promised you a resource. At this link, you can find a video production checklist. It simply reminds you of the things to add to your workflow that will make your life so much easier and your videos more efficient to make. Saves you time. And if you need a little more help with how to make videos, check out the video making crash course. It helps you effectively and authentically reach the creatives that you want to serve. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.